Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna dye my hair and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. As you guys can see, yung hair ko is all black again and yung ends na lang yung may color. Ayan. And naisipan kong mag-dye ng hair kasi I just bought this Bremod hair color. And this is so cheap, you guys. Mabibili nyo din siya sa Shopee and Lazada. I'll just put a link where you can buy it. So, I'm gonna test kung maganda nga ba siya. Color nga pala nito is light blonde. So, we're gonna test it out kung magko-color siya sa black hair ko. And this is what it looks like. So, ito pala yung color, lightest blonde. So, lightest blonde yung kinuha ko. And inside the box is this. Ito yata yung color. Tapos ito yung oxidant. So, it says sa direction na before applying, put on gloves and apron, then mix the hair color cream and oxidant sa isang plastic container. So, huwag nyo siyang ilalagay sa metallic na container. Yun yung nakalagay dito sa instruction. So, my cousin will help me color my hair and hindi po kami prepared. Sobrang impromptu lang ng hair color or hair dyeing na ito. So, ang gagamitin ko to color my hair is an old toothbrush. So, if you guys have yung mga pang-expert na hair coloring materials, better to use it. But, yun nga, hindi kami prepared. So, I'm just gonna use an old toothbrush and then an old comb. So, we're gonna try and let's see the result after. So, be sure to stick until the end of this video because I'm gonna give you all my final thoughts about this brand called Bremod and kung worth it ba siya na i-try nyo din. So, yeah, without further ado, let's start coloring my hair. Okay guys, so my cousin will help me dye my hair and nga pala, pag nagda-dye kayo ng hair nyo on your own, be sure na you use a darker na damit or top and be sure na pambahay lang siya or yung mga hindi nyo na ginagamit para hindi magmancha yung hair color sa damit nyo. So, I'm kind of wearing a pambahay or an old shirt na hindi ko na ginagamit. So, yun, I'm excited. Ayan o. So, makikita nyo yung ends lang yung my color. And then, black na siya dun sa roots or dun sa ibabaw. So, yay! I'm excited! guys! So, tapos na kaming mag-color. So, we're just gonna wait for 30 minutes. Hi guys! So, it's already 6:30 p.m. and inabot na kami ng gabi sa pagko-color ng hair ko. But, I'm just gonna update you guys tomorrow kapag maganda yung lighting, and I'm so excited. Ayan, thank you for the light. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'm so excited to see the result of the hair color. Hi guys, so today is the next day and I just woke up. I'm so excited to tell you guys about my review and final thoughts about the Bremod hair color that I tried yesterday.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Also guys, if you're wondering why my brows look like this, is because I'm wearing my own brow soap. If you guys don't know, I have my own brand called angelsfit.co, and if you guys want to check it out, I'll just put my Instagram link down below in the description box. And yeah, so this is the example. So this is my brow soap. This is in the clear one, which I'm currently using right now. Clear lang siya and achieve yung natural bushy brows. So if you guys wanna check it out, please do so. Sobrang cheap lang niya. It's 150 pesos and I do ship nationwide. So, and I'm so happy on how the hair color turned out sa hair ko. As you guys can see, hindi na siya pure black and I'm so happy. I know na hindi siya yung pure blonde or lightest blonde because I know na it needs to be bleached first, but I didn't want to bleach my hair because I'm scared, and yun, ang ganda niya, and plus hindi siya nakaka-dry guys, hindi nakaka-dry yung hair color na tinry ko, yung Bremod. And what I did nung na-rinse namin yung hair color is I used Pantene conditioner. So if you guys wanna bleach your hair first to achieve the blonde look, pwedeng-pwede. Meron ding tinda yung Bremod na powder if you wanna bleach your hair. But for me, okay na sa akin to, basta hindi na siya pure black, and I'm so happy kasi hindi nag-dry yung hair ko. So my final thought about Bremod hair color is 5/5 recommended. Sobrang sulit niya guys for the price. And if you guys wanna dye your hair without spending so much money, Bremod is the one that you should try kasi sobrang worth it. Paulit-ulit, pero yun guys, sobrang worth it. So I hope I helped you guys if you're planning on dyeing your hair or if you're planning on buying the Bremod hair color. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!